The Brinell hardness test. Using the Brinell method, the hardness of a turbocharger housing is to be measured. First of all, the tester has to make himself familiar with the testing machine. A monitor and the control panel are positioned in the upper part of the machine. These are used to select and program different testing methods. Below the control panel, a microscope lens with a digital camera and an indenter are installed. These two elements are connected to each other and rotate towards the test piece as required. It is also possible to select and exchange the indenter, so different methods of hardness testing can be conducted on the same testing machine. The support table can be adjusted in height, so the test piece can be positioned at the correct distance to the microscope lens and the indenter. After becoming familiar with the machine, let's start the experiment. The principle of the Brinell hardness test is to press a hard spherical indenter with an exactly defined force onto the test piece, then evaluate the surface area of the indentation. The tester selects a suitable spherical indenter and inserts it into the holding device of the testing machine. Next, he puts the turbocharger housing onto the support table, rotates the microscope lens into vertical position and adjusts the correct height of the test piece. After bringing the test piece surface into focus, he selects the exact spot where the hardness test is to be made. By pushing the start button, the hardness test procedure begins. The testing machine rotates the lens back to its resting position and places the spherical indenter carefully on the test piece surface. Gradually and shock-free, the test force rises to its specified value. After maintaining the test force for a certain time, the indenter automatically lifts off again and the microscope lens pans back to its former position. The indentation can now clearly be seen on the monitor. With the control knob, the tester places 4 measuring lines on the edges of the indentation to measure its diameter. That's it! The testing machine can now calculate the Brinell hardness. The hardness value is defined as test force F in the old unit kilopond divided by the area of the indentation A in square millimeters. The result is displayed on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and amounts to 250.